So hello my lovers. Today I am going to answer a question asked by Harshit Bhaiya. He asked me what is motive of anime, and I was thinking on that time I don't know. And he was asking, so why do you watch anime? So I said I will tell you later. So now and or today I am going to tell you the motive of anime. So first point is maker of anime. So in 1814 there is an anime maker named Osamu Tezuka. Osamu Tezuka was thinking everybody read newspaper, they don't get motivated, get bored. That so today with that people used to read too much of fake news, and also they work in below the United Kingdom people, and he was thinking, let's make us a thing that help and entertain us all things. So he was thinking and write a script with pictures named The Dull Sword. The Dull Sword is the first anime who is in present. You can see it is almost 4.5 minute anime. It is also smallest. It is a half-minute anime. It is motive to comedians like, and some people in 1917 make it in animation, or you can say in 3D view that people can watch it. And you can also check the Dull Sword in Google, YouTube. There are many places you can see in the Dull Sword. So now the types of anime. Types, like there are two types of anime. First is manga, you can say a script with pictures, and third and second is animation or a 3D view. Like when we make a movie, we write a script, we think about it, we think about the characters. But in the anime case, the writer, like most of the writer first write a story and then add some scenes and also some action scenes on it, and post and mix the both things, script plus pictures. It makes it and it become a manga. The manga is a type of book, and also the manga came before the 3D version of it. Most of the read or people read manga for their fun, and they give money. They give too much money, and in the 3D version of it, after some time, like you make a manga, people read it, people started to like it, and after some time the developers, or you can say the anime animators, contact to you and make an anime. That is, like you can say Naruto, Dragon Ball, and many other anime there are. They convert the manga into the animation, and they post on the TV like Cartoon Network, Doraemon, broadcast on the TV. And if you don't know that, the Shinchan and Aradhya, what is your favorite childhood cartoon? Good one. Yes. Also, Doraemon is a anime because came from the it came from the Japan, and all of the cartoon, you can say there are 500 plus episode of it, and it is also an anime, and everybody know about Pokemon. Everybody love it, everybody watched it. It has almost 1241 episodes, and people read it on manga, and then people watch it on TV. As you can see, there are many episodes in the Nickelodeon, Cartoon Network. There are channels that brought the Pokemon broadcast on them. So now, coming to the question, motive. So the motive of anime is what? Like you all are came here to watch the video and know what is the motive. So the motive of anime is, I will tell you about a story. Like, do you know about Naruto? Little bit. So I will tell you a story. Naruto. is a boy from a leaf village where his parents died because of a fox that generated by his father named Minato power. The Minato power over controlled and it started to destroy the whole village. And when the Minato came there, he was shocked. His spirit, he has a spirit of fox that trapped inside of him. The spirit of fox is out of control and it is started to destroy the whole village. And when the Minato fight with him with the fox, he died. And also his wife Kushina came there to save him, but he also died. And when the Minato was dying, Naruto was only 1 year old. And Minato killed the fox, but he also killed by the fox. He trapped the fox spirit in the Naruto, and Naruto became a discriminated person. Like we all know how bad is discrimination. Like our B.R. Ambedkar, many people who is from lower caste are discriminated. They used to discriminate by the people, and nowadays there is nothing discrimination. Like in Naruto, when the Naruto was a small child, 7 to 10 years old, he like a mask. He was going there, and the shopkeeper saw him because the Naruto was very popular in that village because Minato was a Hokage. So what is Hokage? Hokage is a type of ruler and a care minister, you can say, like the MCD and many other things. There are police and also headmaster, and they help the village. Like in village time, there is a panch or a ruler of panchayat who help the whole village. And also his father is a Hokage. They knew that the Naruto is his child. When the Naruto get bigger, he liked the mask. When he go to the shopkeeper kicked him and the Naruto touched the mask. When he touched, so the shopkeeper took the mask and threw it on his face. Naruto was crying and and the shopkeeper said, "Go away from my shop. You are the baddest child in the village." Naruto was going down and crying. He ran away with the mask. And then after some time, when the Naruto get bigger, he join academy or you can say school where he can show his powers and all teachers get impressed of him. After some time, that the Naruto become a good person and also he has a good nature. He is good in he is not good in studies. He want to be a Hokage like his father. And everybody was saying, "Hey Naruto, तेरे बस की बात नहीं है. जा जा." And Naruto was sitting like this and thinking like this. And when the test come of the school, because Naruto is not good in studies, when the test come and arrived to him, he was shocked. He is doing nothing. He don't know anything. He failed in the test. And who the students that passed in the test got a headband to knew them. The people and the students get passed. People can knew them and know them with the headband, and they become a ninja. After some time, the Naruto don't have any headband. His teacher, some you can say some mafia came to him and destroy the whole village. But his teacher also trapped in his trap, and the Naruto came and saved his life. And the teacher was crying, and also the teacher believe in Naruto, so that he has a he has a point that he is able to get the headband. Because of the headband, we are noticed as we are completed our test, we become a ninja. And when the Naruto saved the life of his sensei means a teacher or a master. When he saved the master, he become a ninja because he saved a person who is more than him. He saved a person, and also you cannot believe that the Iruka, who is his sensei, gave his own headband because he is also a ninja, and he gave his own headband to the Naruto. And after some time, Naruto saved the whole village again. Everybody was dying. Naruto saved them and become the Hokage. And the person or the students that hate Naruto are like this. Naruto bhai, autograph de do. And Naruto give them autograph. Everybody like Naruto now. And also this thing, this is called motive. Don't ignore everything. Believe on yourself. Like Naruto have a goal. He want to be a Hokage and save the village. He want to be a hero. And like some people who want to be a astronaut, doctor, engineer, who want to crack IIT, UPSC, blah blah things. Nobody can believe on them when we start. Everybody think he cannot do. It is not your cup of cake. And you also goes on their advice. You stop and move on from that subject and start doing another thing and forget your dream. Doubt yourself, can I do it or not do it? And people think, go and become something else. You can do it better. And when you do your work completely and you are going from there, and they started, do you know he's the most popular person in the India? He cracked the IPS. He become an IPS without taking any tuition, any type of tuition and any type of coaching, guidance, and any kind of. He studied with his own. Do you know that? Yes, I know. I advise him to leave and move on from that, but I was wrong. So that is called motive. Believe on your own path, create your own path, believe on your goals, make your own bucket list. This is called motive of enemy. Thank you.